Selection resumes Monday in the trial of Dylann Roof. The 22-year-old is facing multiple counts of murder after the Charleston church shooting that killed 9 people back in June of last year in South Carolina. The judge in the case ruled Roof is competent to stand trial. Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman, a civil rights attorney and law professor, joining us from Cleveland. Good to see you. And Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor, joining us from Las Vegas. Good to see you as well. Kisses back.
Hey, Fred.
So, Richard, you're in disagreement?
Well, I'm not in disagreement, Fred. It's just that the issue in the competency hearing was, does Mr. Roof understand the nature and consequences of the charges brought against him, and is he able to assist in his defense? That was the issue before the judge. The judge ruled, yes, he's competent, just like the state court judge ruled he's competent, because there's a state murder trial that's going to take place in January, right after this federal trial is completed.
And Richard, you know, change of venue is always, you know, a tool that attorneys will use, particularly when you've got highly publicized cases. In a case like this in South Carolina, where so many were touched, you know, by this, is it your feeling that it will be difficult, you know, to seat a jury, and that a change of venue motion could still potentially be made?
No, Fred, the defense has waived that right to make a change of venue, and they did it based on a strategy. Just in a quick nutshell, Fred, this individual went into a Bible study in a black church, sat with members and congregants and the pastor for an hour. After the hour, he pulled out a gun and opened fire. He killed 9 people. He let 3 leave so they could proclaim to the world that he hates black people, and that's why he did it. Then law enforcement went to his house within an hour and found a manifesto where he admitted to the killing. He showed that he's racist, and so this is the case that's going to go to trial here, Fred. And so you ask, why did the defense attorneys do this? It's panic. I mean, it's outright panic right now. There is no defense. They're going to keep it in Charleston because they believe in that jury pool they're going to get a lot of urban citizens, church-going citizens, and an ironic twist, that's who they're going to be looking for forgiveness and mercy to prevent the death penalty. If they feel if they go rural, there's going to be no chance. People in the suburbs will want to kill them.
Yeah, and people can't forget that early on there were church members who said, despite all that had happened, 9 people killed from their church, they forgave Dylann Roof.
Incredible.
All right, Avery Friedman, Richard Herman, thank you so much, gentlemen. Appreciate it.